Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing well. Myself, Alok, your moral science teacher, and I would like to welcome you in this moral science class. Dear students, in today's class, we are going to start a new lesson, lesson number 14. In last class, we have completed lesson number 13. Okay, so let's start lesson number 14. So here lesson number 14. In today's class we are going to do the reading and understanding of this lesson. So let's start. So here it is explained that the holiday are coming to an end. Okay, now holidays are going to over. Okay, and so therefore it is time for Rose to go home. Now it is time for Rose. She has to leave the Mulenga's family. Okay, because Rose she has come to spend her summer holidays. As she prepares to leave, she and Musunda talks. As Rose is preparing to leave, that time both the girls are talking. They talk. Musunda she is saying, I wish you did not have to go, says Musunda. Musunda is saying that I wish that you did not have to go. And Rose is saying, me too, I also wish the same. Okay. It was really a wonderful holiday. I can't believe all the things that have happened. Okay. Rose is saying that it was really a wonderful holiday. Whatever the holiday I have spent here, it was a wonderful holiday and I can't believe all the things that have happened in this holiday. Musunda is saying, yes, Musunda. Look at Godwin. He likes his job so much. Look at the Godwin. He likes his job so much that now he's talking about getting technical training after finishing school. Okay, now he's talking that he's thinking that he will take the technical training after he's finishing his school. And Chisimba's idea really worked well. and Musunda is saying that Chisimba's idea, it worked really well. He ended up with so many clients. Now he's having so many clients that he was going into town almost every day. Now he has to go to the town every day because so many clients he's having now. And look at us, says Rose. And Rose is saying, look at us. Working at the health clinic was a great experience. It was a great experience working at the health clinic. I am even more convinced that I want to be a teacher. Okay, Rose is saying that now I am more convinced that I will become a teacher only. Okay, my village council arranges weekly classes for children of different age. She is saying, Rose is saying that at my village council, they are arranging the different classes for the children of different age group, and almost all the children go, and almost many children are going there. Okay, and this year I plan to offer to teach one of the class. She is saying that Rose, that this year I am planning to offer my service to one of the class. Okay. And Musunda is saying then, and I will try to keep working at the clinic, says Musunda. Musunda is saying that I will try to keep working at the clinic. I can't go on Monday anymore because of school. Because the school will open, so I can't go on Monday, but I can help out some afternoon. In some afternoon, I can help out there. You know, Rose, that first day we talked about confirmation, I couldn't have imagined how important it was and how understanding it would change our life. She is saying, Musunda, that at first when we have talked about the word confirmation, I couldn't have imagined that this will change our life, how important this word is there, and while understanding the meaning of confirmation, we will change our life. It would change our life. We were not thinking about this. It's true, agrees Rose. Rose is saying that it's true. Look at how much we have all changed. We all have changed how much, because we learned about making effort, because we all have learned to make effort and accepting expecting confirmation. Okay, because we all have learned to make effort and then expecting confirmation from God. Okay, then Musunda smiles. I am really going to miss you, Rose. She says. The girls give each other a hug. Okay, Musunda smiles and says that I'm really going to miss you, Rose. And both the girls they hug each other. It is getting late. Mrs. Mulenga calls from outside. From outside, Mrs. Mulenga is calling that it is getting late. We need to start walking. The girls appear outside where the others are waiting. The girls both are coming out from the house and already everyone others are waiting outside. Where is Chisimba? Asked Musunda. Musunda is asking, where is Chisimba? Then Godwin is replying, he told me that he had something to do this morning, so he will meet us at bus stop, says Godwin. Godwin is saying that he said me that he is having some work and so therefore he will meet directly at the bus stop. He picks up Rose's bag and they all start walking. Okay, just that Godwin is picking up Rose's bag and everyone start walking there. Mrs. Mulenga and younger children walk ahead while Rose, Musunda and Godwin talk about this and that. Okay, what is happening? That Mrs. Mulenga and the younger children they are walking ahead and behind Rose, Musunda and Godwin they are going by talking the things of here and there. Okay, this and that things they are talking. When they arrive at the bus stop, the passengers are already boarding. When they have arrived at the bus stop, they are seeing that already passengers they have boarded there. They are already boarding. Okay, they look around for Chisimba and see him running and waving from a distance. When they were seeing that where Chisimba, so they have seen that Chisimba and he is running and waving his distance from distance. He is coming by running and waving his hand from a distance. Bye Rose, thanks for everything, he says breathlessly just before she gets on the bus. Okay, Chisimba is saying, bye Rose, thanks for everything. Whatever you have explained me, whatever thoughts you have given me, thanks for everything. He says breathlessly because he is coming by running. So because of that breathlessly he is speaking before Rose gets into the bus. On the way back home, when they are going to way back to home, Musunda asks if she can go down by the river. She is asking permission from his family. She is asking permission from her family that she wants to go to the river. She runs to her special place. She goes to her special place, climbs on the rock and lies on her back as usual, looking up at the sky. And while seeing this, many thoughts are going through her mind. Many thoughts are going on in her mind. She thinks about the school holidays and wonders what the coming year will bring. That the coming year what it will bring. It is a windy day and she remembers the yellow bird. The day it was a windy day and suddenly she remembers the yellow bird because she has seen the yellow bird at the same place and when the wind was blowing, because of that she remembers the yellow bird. Whatever I try, she whispers to herself, God will help me. She saying to herself, whatever things I will try, God will help me. As she gets up to leave, the wind blows against her back and gives her strength. Okay, as she is walking, she is coming down from the rock, okay, to leave the place. The wind is blowing against her back. Against her back, wind is blowing and it feels that it is giving her strength. Okay, so in this manner, this whole story it is over. Okay, in this book you have studied total 14 chapters were there, and in all chapters the same story is there. This is part by part it is given, and through this all paragraph we have completed, all story. Okay, all chapters we have completed. So we have learned that about the word confirmation. Okay, what it is, book name is also given, The Bridges of Confirmation. That what is happening, God helps us when we are working, when we try to make effort, when we are making effort, then only God is helping. So we must do our work, we must make effort, and we must expect confirmation from God. Okay, so this is the moral of the story. So now today's home assignment. First homework, it is given, read the lesson 14 nicely and try to understand. Whole lesson you will study nicely and try to understand. The next homework is that do the question and answer of lesson 14 nicely in your book. All the question answer of lesson number 14 you will do in your book. You will try to do, because in next class we will discuss the question answer. In today's class we are not going to discuss the question answer. Just it is given a homework to complete yourself. In next class we will discuss the question answer, and if you have made the wrong, then you may correct it. Okay, that is all for today's class. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Thanks a lot.